In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook pixel code and ID number. So what you need to do is head over to an internet browser and we're just going to launch the website business.facebook.com and then hit enter. Once you're on this website, click on settings from the left-hand side. Then in the left-hand navigation, make sure you're signed in to the correct ad account of where you want to find the pixel from. Once you're logged into your correct account, scroll down to data sources and expand this drop down. And from here, select data sets. Now in here, you'll be able to see all of the pixels that are currently set up on your ad manager account, and to find the ID number, it's simply this number here. So you can see this is the name of my pixel, and here we have our pixel ID number. Now in order to find the code to be able to install this onto our website, you need to click the three horizontal dots, select open in Events Manager, and then from here come down to manage integrations, click on manage, and then select install pixel on new website. And then from here you can either install the pixel by using an integration method, or you can just add the code to your website. So if I select install code manually, this is going to give us our meta pixel code, and we can just copy this over to our website. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you find your pixel ID number. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.